thing first, before you even start chopping, you want to make sure that your cutting board is secure. Place a damp paper towel underneath your chopping board. You can get also a non-slip mat, but under the cutting board. So, in holding a knife, put your finger and your thumb at the very back of the knife and wrap your fingers around it. That way, you have a firm grip, and when you chop, you're going to form a claw, so that your finger going and the knife will hit up against your knuckles as you're chopping. So with this claw, your fingertips are gonna be protected the whole time, and it's actually gonna give you support as you're chopping. If you're going to cut, do it in a rocking motion. When you cut, going back and forth with the knife, you think about it like a wave. So now you know how to hold the knife properly. We're going to demonstrate a few common cuts. We're going to start off with a dice. So for an onion, which is probably the most common thing you're gonna dice, you want to cut it in a half. Half first right through the root end like this. And the next tip is peel the outer layer, making sure that the root end is still intact. So with dicing, you want to make sure that the flat side is down, so it'll give you the most stability, making sure you have that claw grip. Make a few incisions horizontally into the onion. Turn around the onion towards you with the root side, and you're going to form a claw. Make a few cuts vertically. Then you're going to turn the onion again, then use your knuckles as a guide, and you're gonna start chopping. Same nice chopping wave motion. So here is the dice. The next cut, I will going to show you the mincing. The most common of this is minced garlic. You want to remove the root, and remember, more always using that little claw. Next tip is put the garlic under the blade and then smash. Then you're gonna be peel the garlic. Then again, use the claw. And you're just going to repeat the same wave motion. You can use your fingers on the other side of blades. To help you stabilize, and then you gently scrape off. So mincing. The next cut is chiffonade, which is most commonly used with herbs. When you're gonna show you with some basil. So first is you're gonna stack the basil leaves, and in a pile. Then you're gonna roll up from the top all the way down in a really tight cigar shape. So it looks like this. And then again, use your claw and cut in the same wave motion. Cut in a really thin. So it gonna be look like this. I'm gonna show you is Julienne, which is most commonly used with carrots, that you can do it with all sort of things. So you want to cut it about into 2 inch. We're gonna just start with 1/4. How to start? You want to create a flat base ones. Once you cut the flat part off, put the flat part down and the cutting board, so you more stability. Then I want to make 1/8 inch. 1/8 inch equal size. Next, stack the carrots up like building blocks. You can also divide it into 2 parts so that it's a little easier to manage. And then again, you're gonna want to make it equal 1/8 of an inch slices down, and then you should get the beautiful equal size. So here is the Julienne cut. The next cut, I'll show you the oblique cut, also called a rule cut, which you will see why momentarily. First, you want to trim the end of diagonally. Then, so right now the diagonal is facing towards you. So you just want to rotate it. So you're gonna make a diagonal cut. Repeat. So cut the end of the patatas. Cut horizontally. Then turn vertically, then cut. Cut into cube parts. So this is the cube cut. Slice cut. Cut the apple into 2 parts. Then slice horizontally. Make sure that it is thin.
Here is the slice cut.